Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Komal and in today's video I will be reviewing the Batiste Dry Shampoo, and also I have a quick little demo on how to use a dry shampoo just in case you are new to this kind of a product. So if you guys are interested in my review and also the demo, then please keep on watching. Also do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon below so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So a dry shampoo is nothing but a quick fix on days when you are unable for any reason to get a regular shampoo for your hair. It is basically just a powder spray and it contains very fine, highly absorbent powder that you have to directly spray onto the roots of your hair. Our scalp is nothing but skin, right? So just like the skin on other parts of our body, the scalp also has sweat glands, and in between washes it tends to get oily and greasy, and as a result of that the roots of our hair also become oily and greasy. So a dry shampoo is the perfect quick fix for you on days when you are running late for certain reason. It just instantly refreshes your hair just until the time you actually get a regular shampoo done. It refreshes it. All the oiliness and greasiness is absorbed by the highly absorbent powders that are present in it. Also, it smells absolutely amazing. A great product to have for especially for women on the go, and especially for people or girls or women who stay in Mumbai where it's constantly humid. This is, I think, my favorite product to have for my hair. Batiste, coming to Batiste, the #1 dry shampoo brand in the United Kingdom. It is available in two sizes. The bigger one retails for 7.99 rupees, and the smaller one, which according to me is a great option if you just want to try out how the product works for you. It is a very great option for you guys. It retails for rupees 2.99, and also Batiste dry shampoos are available on Nykaa's website. And since Nykaa has its Republic Day sale going on, if you are looking to buy these, you might even get it for a cheaper price on their website. The thing that I really love about Batiste is that they have so many different variants. They have a tinted one, they have different ones with different nice fruity and floral scents. When it comes to choosing between those scents, it is a really difficult choice because all of the scents of the Batiste dry shampoos are equally good. You can choose whichever one you like. My personal favorite is the coconut and exotic tropical one because it just smells so fresh and it is just refreshing, not just for my hair but also for my mind. I just get refreshed when I use this one. Now coming to the usage of the dry shampoo, I usually wash my hair every third day, and just for the purpose of the video, today is already the third day I did not wash my hair and I have used my dry shampoo, and now I'll be giving you a quick demo of how I used it, so keep on watching. So step #1 is to shake the bottle really well because this contains a really fine powder that tends to settle down at the bottom of the bottle. Then spray it directly onto your roots from a distance of approximately 10 to 12 inches. Keep making partings and spraying evenly throughout. Once you've covered your entire head, use your fingers just to dry massage and work up the shampoo really well into the roots. It gives your hair a little bit of volume, a little bit of texture and hold as well. All of the greasiness, oiliness just vanishes after you use this, and after that just comb out your hair to get any excess residue out, and after that you can style your hair the way you want. It is a really great product to have and carry in your handbag. So that is it. This was my quick little review on the Batiste dry shampoo and also a quick demo on how to use dry shampoos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then do not forget to hit the like button. Also share the video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. That is it for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.